Hi, Mr. Joseph here from the Madison Public Library. Today we are going to be building drinking straw buildings. Alright everybody, if you already stopped at the Madison Public Library and picked up your building kit, you're going to have a bag that's got 6 pipe cleaners in there and 14 drinking straws. If you didn't pick up your kit, it's okay. You just need to provide those 6 pipe cleaners and at least 14 drinking straws. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. Once you've got all that put together, we can start building. Here's the way it's going to work. You're going to work with 3 main pieces. We're going to be working with 1 regular long drinking straw. We're also going to be working with half-size drinking straws. The way you make those half-size is you're going to take 1 long straw and fold it in half. Once you've got it folded, give it a snip on the fold, and you're good to go. Now don't worry if they're not perfect, because nobody's got to live in these buildings, so we don't have to worry about building codes. Another thing to take note, sometimes when you cut them, you're going to end up with a small end pinched. Don't worry about it. It's easy to fix that. If you just give it a squeeze, it'll pop open. Nothing to worry. Now the third piece we're going to need is making our joints. What joints are joined points on an architecture building. To make these joints, you're going to take 1 pipe cleaner, fold it in half. Alright. Give it a cut on the fold, and you're good to go. Take those 2 halves, fold those in half. Give those a cut. And just like with the drinking straws, it doesn't have to be perfect, because, nobody's got to live in these buildings. Cut on that bend, and you'll have 4 quarters. Once you've got those 4 quarters, take your quarter and bend it into an L shape. Do that with all of your pipe cleaners. And for your drinking straws, you're going to cut 6 long drinking straws, so you end up with 12 short pieces. Alright? Once you've got all that built, you can start building. Here's the way it works. You're going to start with 1 straw. Alright? Take a bent pipe cleaner, slide it in to one end. Pretty easy. Take 1 straw, put it in to the other end. Alright? Simple enough. Now, here's what gets a little trickier. Take 1 pipe cleaner, put it into one end of the drinking straw with the other pipe cleaner. So I've got yellow and red are teamed up. But this red end needs a partner. I'm going to take a blue one and put this blue one in with the red. So now it's teamed up. But this yellow and blue, they don't have anywhere to live yet. So I'm going to grab another drinking straw, put it in there, and now I've got myself a corner built. Alright? Now you're going to have to repeat this several times, because I want you ending up with something that looks like this. In fact, I want you ending up with several somethings. What I mean by that is, in the description of this video, you will find a link to a PDF that holds these blueprints. You want to be able to print this out, or at least see it on screen, so that you can make all 6 of these models. But in order to do that, if you want to make model A, great, but once you make A to make B, you're going to have to take A apart, and so on. I only had enough pieces for you to build 1 at a time. If you want to build more and build bigger, great. You just need to get more straws and more pipe cleaners. In fact, I encourage you, once you've got these built, I want to see what you can build on your own. Take a picture of it. Share it on the Facebook page for me. I want to see how you handle this challenge. Alright everybody, just wanted to say thank you for joining me for this engineering challenge. Again, my name is Mr. Joseph from the Madison Public Library. Look forward to seeing you guys again next time for another engineering challenge.